Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to give very few questions on software questions. Again, I'm telling it's not only a question, it's some of the concept behind these questions. And in our previous tutorial we have given only the music, but in upcoming tutorials there is some derivatives and some of the explanation that I need to give to make you really understand. So you don't have any other option. Yes, you have to listen my voice if you visit our channel. Yes, also it's so hectic. Yeah, we'll go to tutorial. The first question is, what are the levels of testing? Although it's very simple, but people are going so the higher level, so they might forget the very basics, but they are doing their day-to-day activities. In the testing activities, I mean to say. So what are the levels of testing? Yes, not only again testing in developers used to test the unit testing. Yes, so globally there are four levels of testing. The first one is unit testing, and second one is integration testing, third one is system testing, and the final one is acceptance testing. In acceptance testing you have again two broad classification. One is alpha testing and another is beta testing, that we will see the thing in next tutorial in detail. Yeah, so these are the four levels of testing globally. So you don't want to worry about the company specific or organization specific or nothing. So these are all the in testing you have these four levels of testing. Yes, so what are the approaches of testing again? So there are three approaches in the testing: black box testing, white box testing, and gray box testing. So in many organization or in many places, gray box testing is not in use. They used to do only black box testing and white box testing. But the combination of black box and white box derived as a gray box testing nowadays. So it's not, the black box and white box is a mandatory one, but gray box is an optional that not every organization follows. So these are all the three approaches. So this is not types of testing, because many people know black box testing, white box testing, but they are not aware what it really it is. Some, if you ask, they ask type of testing, it's not black box or white box approaches of testing. So how you are approaching the software, how you are approaching the code, either you are approaching through the code or you are approaching through the system. So this is what the approaches of testing. Then what are the types of testing class on the requirement? See, the types of testing have been classified in many terms. So I have given only two things. One is the requirement. As per requirement, you have two types of testing. One is functional testing, one is non-functional testing. Again, functional testing literally means to test the functionality of the system as per the requirement. Then non-functional testing, such as performance testing, security testing, etc. So these are all the testing. Apart from the functional or beyond the functional, you are testing for the behavior of the particular system or the software, that will comes under the non-functional testing. Yes. Then fourth one is, what are the types of testing classified in general? In generally, how they used to classify the types of testing. So there are two types again. One is static testing and dynamic testing. So static testing, in a brief, I can tell you, just reviewing the document is called static testing, and executing the document, I mean executing the test cases which is in the document, is literally called as dynamic testing. So these are the two types of testing. Yeah. And what is arbitration, that I have been as in my last tutorial. So I got two very good answers. One is from Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar, whenever bus is idle, two or more nodes transmit data at the time bus traffic will occur. So according to arbitration, lowest numeric value, that is high priority of the last message, will transmit first. Exactly, this is the right answer. And another one, is arbitration is nothing but it tells which node it's get the bus access first. Again, this is also same. So the Ashok Kumar answer is still elaborated than Karthik Kumar. It's still these are two active participants, like they have commented. So I expect more, just to share different views, because no answer is wrong, as we are all in different industries and different OEM or suppliers. So the answers might be vary in terms or with respect to our projects or OEM. So everyone's answer is welcome. So please do comment if you know. Yes. So the in this question, is it good or possible to do the system testing without doing unit testing or integration testing? As I want to ignite the people who are so lazy, so that you can just leave your comment as yes or no for this question. Yes, you have to answer either yes or no. The question is either the system testing is possible to do or good without doing unit or integration testing. Yeah, so if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. And yeah, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, please go to about tab in our channel and just click on the link. Please, you are welcome to join our WhatsApp group. Catch you in next tutorial. Subscribe for more updates. Bye bye.